Welcome to 28 Days to Better Blues, Part 3. This video is the third in a 4-part series that I call 28 Days to Better Blues. If you can spare just 20 minutes to watch these 4 5-minute videos and then spend only 5 minutes a day practicing these techniques, I guarantee that by the end of the 28 days, you'll see a big difference in your blues playing. All you need to know is the minor pentatonic blues box, and you will be able to apply this tip immediately. If you know more than just one position of the pentatonic scale, great. This trick works in all positions and all keys. The minor pentatonic blues box is an incredible and versatile tool that has helped many great players create so much great music. Well, what if you could turbocharge your same old blues box by adding just one note? What if you had a brand new expressive tool right at your fingertips without even having to learn a new scale? Add this one note to your blues box and feel the power of the flat 5. It really doesn't matter what the theory behind the flat 5 is, you can clearly hear the blues power seeping through when we use it. If you learn which notes are the root notes, finding the flat 5 of any scale is a breeze. So here's how it works. If you start counting from the first note of the minor pentatonic blues box, 1, 2, 3, which brings you to the third note of the blues box. Now we simply add one chromatic note, and suddenly we have a 6-note scale that includes the flat 5, which is probably the spiciest of all the notes. By adding this one note, we have transformed our minor pentatonic into the blues scale. That's right, there is actually a blues scale, and now it is part of your repertoire of tricks. With the blues scale, we have access to a sound that simply does not exist in either the major or minor pentatonic shapes. By adding this one extra note to the scale, it gives us the interval called the tritone, which is unmistakable in its sound. It's attention-grabbing and memorable. The tension created by the unstable tritone just oozes with mojo. Here are a couple of riffs to get you started with the blues scale. No matter where you are on your blues journey, adding the flat 5th to your minor pentatonic scale will revitalize your playing with new ear-catching tones and colors. So there you have it, folks. Part 3 of the 4-part series, 28 Days to Better Blues. My name is Dwane Dixon, aka Double D. Don't forget, all the backing tracks and diagrams are available for free download to help you get these ideas under your fingers and into your playing vocabulary. Just click the links in the description below the video to get your backing track and your diagrams. See you in Part 4.